Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project where we will create a new video about where the AI will predict our future about tomorrow or the other day. So first of all, I would like to import time. Yep. Next we'd like to import random. Then we'd like to import CYC. Yep. Then we'd like to create a function def type text speed equals 0.03. Yep. Let's put a colon. Okay, so next I'd like to write for char in text cyc dot st dot write char. Here instead of it should be a dot. Next we'd like to write cyc dot st dot flash. Yep. And then we'd like to write time dot sleep speed. Okay, next we'd like to print just brackets. Okay, so next we'd like to do is write predictions. Okay, so this will be our predictions. Okay, so first of all, let's write tomorrow you will play. Okay, so this is the first one. Next, put a comma, open up the string. You will play football. Then we can write then you will go to school. So okay, so these are the predictions. Next we'd like to do is write type underscore text inside brackets initializing AI system. Yep, then time dot sleep 1, then type text scanning world data. Yep. Wait, I should write data. Yep. Then I would like to do time dot sleep 1, and then just write print. Yep. And next thing we'd like to do is write for I p in enumerate predictions, comma 1 colon. Yep. And then we'd like to write type underscore text f string prediction inside of it I, then this like this. Yep. Here I should be type.text. Yep. Then we'd like to do time.sleep 0.5, then type underscore text p comma 0.04 print nothing, just like this, and time dot sleep 1. So okay guys, let's save it up and let's run it. Initializing AI system, scanning world data. Prediction number 1, tomorrow you will play. Prediction number 2, you will play football. Prediction number 3, you will go to school. So okay guys, this was all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.